All right, so let's get right to it. Um, yeah, so it's pretty easy. We're going to first of all observe the app we're going to use, and you're just going to need like one important app for our phone design, which is, as you would probably guess, for those who do designs, you're going to need the PixArt. It's right here. That's you're going to need this right here. Okay, so let's jump right into the app. Okay, so this is how the app looks like. I don't know, most of you might have downloaded the app before, but this is how the app looks. So if we're going to be working, first of all, we want to get familiar with how the app looks like. mm, this is probably where you would only need to use throughout the app, throughout your editing, throughout everything. So it's going to take you to a page where you have your photos. these are on your these are on your device already. These are the videos on your device too, and then these are from the app itself. These are, you know, for those who like Pixmix or what they do those days. These are templates. You don't really need these. You get. So uh these are backgrounds. These are like free photos, also from the app. And then you have colors for what you're starting with. So I'm just gonna jump right ahead and use like any color. Let's go with blue. Alright, so today we're gonna just basically learn the in and out of the PixArt, starting from the tools. Okay, you have the crop. This is like, as it's the same crop, guys. It's the same crop. uh Crop it to any size you want. It's free, it's unlocked now, so you can mess around with the size you want. But if you actually have a precise size you need, you can check. You have square, you have tree, you have, you know, a bunch of other sizes here you can select from depending on what you want. So I'm just going to leave it in this. Okay, you also have the you have like different kind of edits in here. We'll need this later, but not now. But also you have like a free cup over here too, where you get to shade out the part you want. It's like a preview of what you shaded out. Do you dig? Yeah. So also sometimes you have a picture where uh two people, but then their faces are clear enough. The pixels can like pick out their face. So you have like a face here, you have clothes here. Yeah. So depending on how clear the picture of the person is, Pixar can pick out their face and, you know, other stuff. So, but we won't really be needing this in our designs, so just gonna go back. A bunch of other things too you won't really need here. Well, you probably need this. It's like flip to the left, to the right, you know, flips it like this, and then flips it the other way around. Yeah. We have our that we've checked on effects, and then we have sticker, which is over here. This is where we're going to get our icons from. We won't really need to do much when it comes to icons. We don't need to create icons. We're going to get our icons from here, WhatsApp icons, Facebook icons, and stuff like that, just to make our design look really cool. We also have like a bunch of random stuffs here too. You won't really need cutouts. Then you have our text tool where you get to like write out a bunch of stuff, put it to the edge, this edge or in the middle. These are like very basic stuff. So as you can see, so got this card, that's text. You have add photos, you can add like any photo from your gallery. Let's see, like any photo from the gallery right there. I'm just like messing around with the app so you get familiar with what the tools are, what all these are. So I'm going to discard. That's add photo, and you have fit. We're going to be using fit a lot. Fit and add photos. We're going to be using these a lot because they're very important in a lot of stuff we're going to be doing. It fits your image into a particular size. You know, you can put it back in the same color. You can change the color of the background. Yeah, so these are different, but this is our original photo. Don't forget. We're just changing the background a bit. That's what they call fit. It's like the background changes depending on what you're doing. But if this is our original size of the glue, 3 4, if you can remember. Okay, so that's fit. Won't really be needing the rest. If you need borders sometimes, maybe you want to border someone's picture, you can just put a border around it, but we won't really be needing it much for our designs. But you can really need this for other things. Can might be useful, can come in handy. Yeah, so you have draw tool here, so in case I don't know, I really use this tool. I use this a lot when I'm doing wallpapers to get increase the size a bit depending on what I'm taking out, but it's only during technical issues or when I'm doing wallpaper I use them. I don't really use draw that much, or when I'm trying to edit something really technical, you get, so just in this card. And yeah, so that's about everything you need to know about the tools here. You won't really need these are frames. They can come in handy, just depends on, you know, these are borders, like templates, depends on what you're doing. If you hold on to this, it gives you the original size you picked out at first when you started, you know, the original view. So yeah, that's it about the icons. In our next class we'll be talking about a little bit extra further from here. It gets harder and harder and technical with each class. Can't wait to meet you.